What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us. We have an awesome episode for you today. Today's episode, we have to do 4 different baselines. We got 3 Camaros and a C6Z. Also, I hope you enjoyed that episode yesterday. That's the good thing about subscribing. We will sometimes throw up a video when you least expect it. So make sure you're subscribing, like, let's get the video started. What are we doing, ladies?
Baseline time.
Oh, you guys are so cute. You're like in unison.
What?
Nothing. Mods, guesses, what are we doing? Manual, auto?
What the hell is this?
Vincent Camaro.
Got an intake. Oh, it's got headers too. So vote on LS3.
428.
Sounds like 430 to me. Give it a shot for my phone.
Is this back to Camaro week now? Camaro.
We really need to start labeling keys.
Yeah, we do. So this Camaro SS 1LE actually drove down from Canada, as you can see. Pretty badass. Dropped off. It's a little lowered. Then we have this Camaro SS 1LE that we are doing everything on.
Everything?
Everything, like
Everything?
forged pistons, Pro Charger, cam, math, fuel system, literally everything. I mean, yes, everything. That's gonna be a badass build. And then we have another 1LE. This is one we did a long time ago. We did a LME short block. He was originally going to do forged pistons, but we decided just to do short block instead. Then we did an F1A, Pro Charger, whole bunch of stuff. I think it made right around 900. He wants to make a little bit more, so we are actually swapping out his F1A for an F1A 94. Should make a little bit more power. Not a whole lot, but it's pretty much a direct replacement. So stay tuned for that as well. A lot of 1LEs in. A lot of Camaros in. No?
This car will make 430.
Think so? I'm keeping my same guess.
But that'll keep on power.
It's got a K-N intake. And the axle back.
It's gonna make 430 all day.
It's not gonna make 430.
Alright. You got 610 Camaros, they're kind of my thing.
Are they? I thought rusted Fox bodies were your thing.
There ain't no rust on my Fox body.
Alright, sorry.
Don't be tripping.
Panelless Fox bodies were your thing, just like hoodless BMWs are my thing.
I'm gonna start on it soon.
Are you?
And by start, I
mean restart, like continue work on it.
Like continuing transfuncture.
Yeah, that. So we haven't had any updates on Matt's project car because there have not been any updates. That's alright, dude. I'm right there with you.
There's just not enough time in the day.
Intake, axle back, manual, 428. Sean, what's your guess?
420.
420. Okay. finally wins one. We should throw a party for him. He's awfully happy.
Told you, dude. LT1's in their power.
Finally won one.
They're always there.
No, I'm leaving it the same.
Still going 428.
428.
You're doing what?
Yeah, I'm leaving it the same. 428.
428?
435 then.
Okay.
I did say 435 on the other one, but
Well, I'm sticking with mine.
430?
430.
Yeah, might as well just keep it the same. What can Brown do for you?
I asked him if he could wait.
Oh my God.
Hey,
He's about to get hit by a...
good guy.
Redo.
Go.
Redo.
No, you're,
Sean, you... Yeah.
There you go. Great.
And then we got the 2018 1LE. I think this one's completely stock.
Boom, stop.
Keeping my gut.
$429.
Okay.
You might. That'd be easy.
It's real nice because I'm 428.
Yeah.
Jerk.
I just one better.
I hope it does 427. I'll take the headers. It's gonna make good power. I did. Putting the G8 back together.
Yep.
Lucky you.
Yeah, he's doing a cam, I think, with it now, and then
Oh, nice.
torque converter. He got some Cook's headers,
Okay, cool.
so I'll actually, you know,
Some performance.
yeah,
Versus just
versus
replace.
just stock.
Yeah.
So yeah, the blockers came back.
Sweet, and check it out. So his engine just got back from the engine shop. Looks nice, looks all refreshed. Looks good. All the cam bearings. Way better. How many miles did this have on it? Like 90 or something? Yeah. So it had quite a bit. I got the short block out, getting it refreshed. Might as well upgrade a few things. So we are going to be doing the cam package. New oil pump, all that good stuff. Gaskets. And circle D converter, as Sean said. Fun.
Fun.
Fun, fun for everyone. And then Matt's got Bobby's car out. Let me guess, clutch.
Yeah. Let me get started here in a minute.
Putting tools away.
Yeah.
Getting reorganized.
Monday morning organization session.
Yeah. It's important.
It is. Do you have to like organize your computer files Monday morning?
I do it while I'm working.
That's good. Yeah. I should do this while I work.
Yeah.
That
Usually
slows me
helps.
down.
It's a little LSA blower on an SS.
What we have here, folks.
That's what it is.
They should have came with these stock.
Yeah, it really should have.
It would have been a significantly cooler car. They're pretty cool as they are.
It would be too close to the
V.
V though. Yeah.
That's Cadillac.
I know, but still.
It's an SS.
I think they had a hard time selling these for what they were trying to anyways. Is probably the issue.
I think they're pretty cool.
Let alone tack on another 15 grand.
They're actually still worth some money now. They had
I
a little
know.
sprint to where they weren't, and GM gave 20% off.
They're still in the 30s.
Oh, depending, or higher.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can still find something new in there too.
The Solo is f***ing worthless junk.
The exhaust at least sounds better with cats, but the cats stink.
Terrible. You weren't out here for the first bowl.
It stinks.
Yeah, it wants like 5 degrees of time. Because he has wonderful, amazing cats on here. They're made by a wonderful, amazing Chinese, Ukrainian mix of metal.
Are they? I don't know who they're made by.
If they ain't f***ing American made, I'll tell you that.
They stink. It sucks. So you gotta basically wait for it just to pretty much get cooled down to make a decent roll?
Even so, it's just not, no matter what I do, it keeps getting knocked.
Hello, Sean.
What up?
I see you have the engine in.
Yeah. It's
It
in
looks
there.
good. Yeah, I
It's
didn't
still low.
catch everything going
Yeah,
because I had to go edit the ZR1 thing sooner than expected.
It's all good.
It looks good.
It went in pretty smooth. Got a little hand from Matt. Went right in. New torque converter in there from Circle D.
Looks good.
Tried to clean up things as best I could, but I mean it's
90,000 miles. Yeah,
it's
you
got
can't-
90,000 miles on it, so
Can't
it's only gonna get so good.
Looks good though.
Yeah.
So you got new headers on.
Yep. Cooks.
You got a cam.
Got a cam.
One of our custom grinds that we usually use on these setups.
Yeah.
Converter, and that's it.
Yep.
Okay. Throw a little braking oil in.
Yeah. Because the engine had to get a refresh. I don't know if you remember what happened.
Yeah, his cam bearings
Yeah.
are screwed.
Well, the
And the lifter, that's
got
right.
f***ed up, and that cam up, and then that
Yeah,
shouldn't be cursing, but
it spirals.
yeah.
Lifters can fail. Yeah. Do you still have that one or no?
The lifter?
Yeah.
Should look like that, but it doesn't.
Yep. So, got all nasty and grooved and
We got a little flat spot right there.
Needle bearing.
Just getting the coils and stuff on, just the little things wrapped up.
okay.
Should be running tomorrow.
Okay, sweet.
Yep.
Let's check on Matthew over here. So what you doing on this?
Ported blower, headers, and an intake,
Okay.
and a lower pulley.
Okay. No cam or anything?
Nah, I'm just taking the shield off though, and just nice sauce oil.
Dude, I told you this thing smelled like oil.
Oh my god.
Remember when it was
dude.
on the dyno, I said it smelled like
I
oil.
know.
Is it just me or does it smell like burnt oil?
No, it's probably this awesome catch can setup.
It smells like burnt oil. Oh, dude, 100%. You smell it? It reeks.
Where the f is it coming?
I thought it was that catch can setup. So did you.
It might be. I'm sure it's probably Steve.
What? Am I right again?
Oh no, there's a valve there. Oh, it's just leaking out of the bottom of the catch can. It looks like.
The
Here, see if you can.
You look good.
Oh, once I get the shield down. Give me a minute.
Yeah. Does this thing have snow tires on the front of it?
All four.
Why? I guess it was still snowy up where he was. Alright, I mean, that's kind of ballsy driving a ZL1 in the I like his style. These things are gonna get chewed up.
Oh, the dyno's gonna destroy him.
Yeah. So it is coming from the catch can? Is it like the bottom? Oh yeah. I just felt the bottom of the where the drain is. Just dripping away. Maybe it's just not all the way tight or something.
Well, it's just like a ball valve, so I gotta take it off anyway. I'll look at it.
Okay.
2 hours later.
Good. Try and get the exhaust off tonight, and tomorrow just put the headers on, and I think we got a big gulp for it too, and that big old brown
Yeah,
box.
we do. So you already put we already got the blower back from the Kong and put it on?
Yep.
Nice.
That is the Kong ported blower, the Nick Williams throttle body, and the 15% lower pulley.
Yeah, because the Nick Williams will not fit without a ported blower, so the butterfly valve will not open all the way.
PSA.
Let's see what Eric's got to work on. Little 5th Gen Camaro. Oh, this is the one we based on. This is the one from
Whoa.
Connecticut.
Wow, this thing is clean, boy.
It is clean. So what are we doing with this thing?
Cam.
Okay.